Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Shopify Payments step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to open the menu. In the Settings menu, select the Payments section. Under the Payments section, find and click on Shopify Payments. If you haven't set it up yet, you will see a button that says Activate or Get Started. Click on that button to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to fill out your business details. Enter your business information accurately in the required fields. This information often includes your business name, address, and tax ID. Next, review your account information. Make sure your email address is correct for receiving notifications. Proceed to fill out your bank account details for payment deposits. Enter your bank name, account number, and routing number carefully. After entering your bank information, review your terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to Shopify Payments terms. Once you've confirmed your information, click on the Complete Setup button. Your Shopify Payments account will now be submitted for verification. Wait for a moment as Shopify processes your information. If everything is in order, your account will be activated. You will receive a confirmation notification via email once the setup is complete. After activation, you can manage your payment settings as needed. You are now ready to start accepting payments through Shopify Payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.